How to find data saver mode on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find data saver mode on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down until you find the settings and then notifications, and not notifications, sorry, this one, media. Click on it, and as you see here you will find it data saver mode, and you can turn it on and you can turn it off again if you want. And now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.